I'm very happy and quite contented that this year we could cross 40% in terms of spending during the first 6 months. In fact, up to October, this figure might be more than 48%, though I can't confirm it because the figures October has just ended. But if the trend is taken into consideration, it is exceeding 48% up to October, indicating around 90% of achievement of the budget. And if that's happened, this will be highest in last 10 to 15 years at least. I don't have record for earlier. But I normally think that all the time budgets were around 75% utilization. This year we may touch 90% or cross 90%. This includes supplementary demand also. Around 1300 crores or more than around 25% of the total expenditure this time has entirely gone into infrastructure development. It means PWD, water supply, irrigation, uh, PWD, all irrigation, electricity, GSIDC, then GSUDA, agriculture, forest, SAG, all together spending has crossed 1300 crores, which is 25, around 25, because total spending is around 5700 crores, which is highest in decade. And even this year probably was 10 years back when Congress government was in power. They had borrowed very heavily, looks like. I have to pay back that. We have paid that back. I'm not complaining, I'm just pointing out. Huh? Because 2017 when I pay, it's actually borrowed in 2007, 10 years. So far about 700 something, and by the year end it will be almost 1500 including interest and principal.